senior manager. So our guest for today is none other than Chino Datu. Chino, say hello.
Yeah, hi everyone. So, Chino here. Thank you for having me over here at your show. Thank you.
Right. So Chino, what is a senior manager? Can you describe for us your role?
Actually, senior manager is my what do you call that? My official role. But my designation would be solution architect.
Mm,
So, I'm going to work for since sabihin ko na rin, no? I'll be working for Accenture. So for Accenture, I'll be doing pre-sales work as a solution architect. So I'll be leading um, like in uh, sales team that would actually go to clients and do their like pre-sales work. Also doing solutioning work for them.
right, right. No? Since you are a manager, no? From from your previous experiences as a manager, what's your managerial style? How do you manage your team?
Mhm. So I've handled people din naman before. Currently in my role, I don't have like direct reports. But my management style is kind of individualistic and very personalized.
Mm-hmm.
So I tend to gravitate towards specific goals for specific people, and really getting to know them basically. There's no like my management style is not a broad stroke for everyone, but it's really like a personalized managerial style for each of my team members.
Right, right. No, and so basically you try to help them, succeed in their own fields, right? As a manager, no. For you, what makes you successful? No, if you manage other team, pero maybe how do you manage yourself? Why? How do you become more successful?
Um, I don't know, parang ang broad ng question, pero siguro I'll tackle it two ways. So one is siguro through others. If I see other people succeed, especially people that I interact with, not just my not just my um, direct reports,
Right.
but also even my peers, even my boss. If I help them, succeed in their goals, um, that actually makes me a good manager myself. So because I see na I can help them. I think that's the common misconception of being a manager. You're not. You have to stand there as a leader. You don't. You don't just go there and direct everyone to do what they want to do. But basically lead them and also know their goals and everything else about them. Siguro personally, I'm very paano ba? I'm very future driven. So for example, if there's a problem right in front of me, I don't stop. I just keep on pushing. So that resilience and also that siguro stubbornness, no? At a certain level,
Mm-hmm.
um, that makes me a good like, individual contributor and also a manager. So marami rin naman nangyari sa akin throughout my career that really helped me with that mindset.
Right, right. No. And as a senior manager right now, in terms of hands-on or coding or scripting, is that something you still do? And if you do, what's your current stack or what you code or script
Mm.
at the moment?
Yeah, right now, no, I don't do any direct coding or any development work already. I'm more of high level like viewpoint na
Mm-hmm.
on the whole system. So I started out as an SAP BW consultant. So I'm really focused on analytics and
Mm,
also business intelligence and warehousing.
right. Maybe you can talk about the tools naman, no, that you use. As again, you're not the scripting guy, but you definitely have your own tools, no, to bring in your management and also your analytics. What tools do you use?
Uh, Before, um, prior to my current job, uh, I was support manager. So it was more of ITIL type of thing.
Mm,
So we were using Salesforce as part of our ticketing team. So it's more of that, more of ticketing, more of problem management, incident management, and service delivery management. It's more of like the usual tools na naman, like Office, just for reporting. We also use Power BI before to easily report our numbers and also SLAs. After that, I was also using Jira for project management. It's more of like task delegation naman and just seeing which tasks are being done and or which are in the pipeline and which are completed na for the team. So basic tools and also ano rin Microsoft Project. Parang it's an old tool, no, pero we still use it because it was available to us. Yun. And the usual Google Sheet. So yun lang naman.
Right. Let's also discuss a little bit more on your journey now, since a lot of our audience are young and they wanna understand, like, how does one become a senior manager, or even they might ask, is IT even the field for me? Maybe some will think, di ako magaling na programmer, or parang gusto ko sana mag-music, pero iba parang yung parents ko ayaw, no? Or parang ganun, no? So maybe you can give insight on how you chose IT career, or was it chosen for you? Parang yun yung tanong ng iba.
I think kasi nung time natin, when we were in high school and yung grade school natin before, parang doon nag-boom yung buong computer crazy. Starting with like the 286, 486 ganyan, with the like MMX no Pentium ganun pa dati. So I was really interested in that when I was in high school. So I've kind of gravitated to IT talaga when I was in college. So it's something na I kind of wanted. And I think parang siguro swerte na rin, no? We were batchmates, also classmates in college for MIS. Kasi parang I think yung mga natutunan ko with management, and thankful din for Ateneo for the how you speak, and engage with people. I learned a lot. And siguro yung naging journey ko was I really had fun with IT. I like how like tinkering with things, getting to know how things work. So that curiosity I applied to IT. I think siguro for the young individuals siguro who are listening or like watching this, if you see kasi something that you are curious, parang you have to play with your strength. I think that's the point. It's not limited to a specific like area. Like it's not like my curiosity, for example, it's innate to me. It doesn't really just apply to IT. It can apply to anything that you're interested in. So you have to go with that. Hindi nga nasabi mo yung music. Kasi parang siguro yung naging career path ko, yes, professionally I'm an IT person. Pero I had so many things going on along on the side. So I had CrossFit and powerlifting as part of like my resume also. And also I was doing music on the side as well. Pero yeah, throughout the years, those were more like passions for me. And I really gravitated to to IT. That's where I found my calling. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya na parang na navigate talaga. Pero it's something that I was really parang interested in. Pero siguro if it's really the journey, I started as a developer, as consultant.
Right.
Then
so
the knack for
yun yung pinili mo first job, or parang siguro magtatanong iba, paano ka ba nakapili ng first job? Ito, nakapasok ka na ng MIS kasi nga you have the knack for it, you have the curiosity for it. So graduate ka na. Ito naman, una is paano ka pumili ng first job? Kasi isa sa mga yung nagtatahak ng journey natin, minsan very big effect yung first job.
Alam ko, swerte lang ako, or parang I landed a good job when I was starting. Siguro na-land ko siya because of connections in college. Marami kasi akong ginagawa during college. Parang I'm part of different orgs, ganyan. So from there, actually, share ko lang, nakuha ako for SAP BI. Actually, hindi pa nga BW yun eh. For an SAP job, hindi siya BW eh. Tapos naritula ako to BW for some reason. And then from then on, wow sa kanya. So, yeah, parang I stumbled upon it and then I liked it and I continued with it. Parang ganun.
And then from there, tuloy-tuloy na. At what point, parang naging manager ka, more or less? Is it parang from an individual contributor tapos naging manager?
So, when I was, kasi yung first job ko was with NetLogic. So, ano ko doon, it's a local IT company. So, for NetLogic, I was an individual contributor. Pero when I transferred to HP, ano ako transfer, 2010, I think. When I transferred to HP, parang bibigyan ako ng mga small leadership roles. So, I was a team lead, ganyan, here and there, and also sa mga projects, nalagyan ako ng leadership role. Pero yung naging manager talaga ako when I transferred to Dairy Farm after, talaga, I was at HP for 7 years. So, 2017, I joined Dairy Farm. Actually joined as an individual contributor, pero there was an opening for a manager position. And they gave it to me. So, I think yung transition na yun is a challenge for me. Kasi hindi naman ako na-handle ng ibang people talaga. Pero, I took the opportunity. I told myself na parang they trusted me, so I should also trust myself. With the manager position, and I got it. So, and from then on, manager na.
Right. No. Can I ask, no? Right now kasi ang lakas ng hype ng startup, no? Parang, startup life, parang yun yung laging na bibigyan ng attention, no? Pero maybe since medyo corporate yung path mo, maybe you can highlight for us the advantages sa corporate naman, no? Ano ang mga major advantages pag nag-stick ka ng corporate? Like you said, 7 years kasi isang company, ganyan. Ano yung
siguro ang advantage when you're in corporate, ano kasi siguro number one, stability na rin. Kasi if you're syempre it really depends on the company you're in. Pero if you join the big companies, it's a little bit more stable. Kasi yung gaya nung I also joined the company before na medyo startup-ish siya. And syempre, kunyari, ibang processes nila hindi pa ganun ka well-established. So, for example, yung HR is very established in a corporate company talaga. So, yung sweldo, yung appraisals, yung performance management, everyone is by the book. So, yung mga advantages, I think, on a personal level. Pero if it's on your career talaga, the exposure mo is a little bit different. You can really focus kasi on a specific tool set that you want. So, siguro yung main difference is you don't have to do everything. Kasi with a startup, parang gano'n medyo broad. Parang hindi ka pwedeng mamili na parang ito lang gagawin ko and to specialize in this. Right. Parang you have to know everything. Kasi kung hindi mo mapubuhay. So, maganda lang din siya kasi you can cater to a specific, like niche market and, career path. And take the career path from it. Baka yun lang yung nakita kong advantage from that.
Right. No? I had a question in mind yung sinabi mo about, nung college ka, madami kang orgs and network, no? Parang that's an advantage that you had, no? Is that something you would definitely encourage the youth also, no? Parang join communities, join orgs?
Definitely. Especially if you're someone like me. I was really outgoing and very extroverted kasi ako. I talk to lots of people. I want to get to know everyone. So, it really helps. If you have that network, kasi, you can leverage on that talaga. With anything you need. May it be personal, may it be career, may it be, like outside of the ordinary. So, maganda siya, you should join. And it actually expands your knowledge with different things. You don't get boxed in with what you know. different point of views din. So yeah, I definitely encourage talaga for them for kids to join like all of the organizations that they would want.
Right, right. No. So aside from networking, is there anything else that you would advise to help with hiring naman? Especially in the corporate, no? How can you be more hireable naman in larger companies?
Kasi ako nag-hire pa rin naman ako ng iba. Interview din. Ang pinaka-hinahanap ko if you're coachable or not. If you listen. Yeah. Kasi parang you can be the best at what you do. Pero if you're not a team player, if you don't listen to your manager, if you don't communicate well, if you don't take criticism well, hindi siya, it won't grow eh. Kasi yun tingin ko palagi, it's the growth potential that you have. Kung hindi ka man, kunyari, if you're like, if I'm choosing between two people, if one is like the best in what they do, sobrang galing technically, pero if I ask him to do something or parang very negative yung lahat ng point of view niya on that, I'd choose the parang hindi masyado magaling, pero very coachable, very team player. So, siguro yun, I think yun yung pinakamalaki, lalo na in a corporate setup. Kasi, ang dami mong nakasalamuha from different countries, different backgrounds. Parang it can be from pwedeng a self-taught developer yung kausap mo, like highly decorated developer na ang dami niyang inaral, pero doon mo siya makukuha eh. So, if you're not coachable and if you're not adaptable to those things, mahirap. So, yun. I think lang din, coachability lang din.
Right, no. And sa ating audience, no, syempre magtatanong sila, paano mo ini-interview or ano yung mga guides mo para pag interview session pakita nila na coachable sila, no? Parang dapat bang nag-oo or nag-opo sila lagi? Opo o gano'n? Or how do you do that? Like wala namang written exam siguro about that, right?
I think it's very, for me, if I interview, it's very behavioral. And kung ano yung nangyari na sa'yo. So, for example, I will ask you, like in your previous, kung if it's a new hire, no? Parang fresh grad. If you're a fresh grad, I will ask you na, ano yung mga ginawa niyong projects during college? Ano yung difficulties na na-encounter niyo? Paano yung siya meron bang criticisms or meron bang comments yung professor mo? With what you did? And I will see from there how he takes it. And ano ba yung ginawa nila to correct those things that they did. Medyo makikita mo naman may nuances na if they're telling the truth. So don't lie, So guys, please don't lie in interviews. Number one, kasi interviewers will see that a mile away if you're not telling them. So be as truthful as possible. And we appreciate that honesty, number one for building relationships. So yun, I think it's really behavioral. Ano yung nangyari talaga in the past.
Right, no. And I just have a couple more questions left, no. Right now, what's next for you? Ano yung passion mo? I know you mentioned a couple of items already, yung CrossFit, ito yung next career path mo on a new company. And it seems like you have a lot of work-life balance, no? Hindi lang sa IT. Pero what's next for you? Anong passion mo ngayon? In both non-IT and IT, no?
So, in IT, siguro in my career muna. So, in IT, mas may next role as a senior manager. I really do solution architecture. So, it's really expanding my knowledge in different technologies. Kasi medyo nakabox in ako sa SAP. I've been working in the SAP technology for more than 15 years na yata. Or like, tama ba? Hindi ko alam yung math ko, pero since like 2019, 2020. So, I really, want to have more knowledge in different tools, and also technologies na relating to analytics, relating to ERPs na iba pa. and the like. So, isa yan in my IT path, yun yung inaaral ko ngayon. Pero for my personal, siguro outside of it, ano lang talaga, I'm physically active kasi. So cycling, nagpa-powerlifting pa rin ako pero ngayon medyo tumigil ako sa travel injury. So mga ganun pa rin. So I value that kasi if I just focus on my IT career, medyo stressful talaga siya. So I do those things para at least I can, release some of that stress on those passions of mine. So yun.
Right. Ito yung pang-avoid of burnout. Parang sinasabi lang IT burnout, no? Ang sinasabi natin.
Kasi I think as an IT professional tayo nasa computer. So you're just sitting down, you're typing away, you're thinking of what next thing to do with a problem. So hindi ka physically active. So if you do something physically active, parang nakakawala siya ng mental stress.
Right.
So yes, hindi talaga yung burnout. It's real. Even yung Zoom burnout, parang Zoom, parang everyday, kasi naka-work from karamihan eh. So yung naka-Zoom mo lang buong araw na nakakapagod.
That's true, no? So for our last question naman is, thank you again for sharing a bit of your journey, a bit of your passion, and your managerial style, just in case maging managers din sila, baka gusto nilang maggaya or at least learn from you further. Ano yung I would say parang ano yung advice mo, parang closing advice mo to our audience? Parang how to be you po, parang ganun.
I think lahat naman tayo we're all different. So just be yourself. Sabi nga nila, di ba, parang how could you love anybody else if you don't love yourself? So totoo yun with everything. So kailangan alam mo yung sarili mo, kilala mo siya. So just look inward first, and if you know how to manage yourself, your stress, your career, your kahit na lang yung calendar, kasama yung pag-manage yung calendar mo from day to day. If you can manage that, it's easier for you to manage others. So siguro yun lang, start with yourself, know yourself, be kind to yourself, and that would shape your managerial style.
Yun ba yung parang life quote na fina-follow mo? Parang know yourself, love yourself, ganun?
Yes, very much. Kasi kasama na parang ganyan, di ba, yung work-life balance and also yung burnout talaga, yung IT burnout. If you don't, sabi ko nga parang if you don't take care of yourself, you can't do 100% in your work. So you have to be, kumbaga, actually yung rest and yung recuperation, it's a prerequisite for you to do well.
Right.
So hindi siya parang, I did well, I will rest. You have to rest first so that you can do well. So dapat ganun yung, I think yun yung dapat na nakitang mindset mo. If you don't take care of yourself talaga, you can't do work, you can't manage others. So siguro love yourself and be kind. Lahat tayo kailangan ng kindness. Right. Lalo na ngayon sa panahon ngayon.
I like that idea, no? Parang rest first para you can work better. Kasi I think madami nga yung parang nag-work sila sobra, tapos afterwards pag weekend, papahinga ako kasi weekend. Dapat pala baliktad, magpapahinga ako para pagdating ng new week, I'm fully parang hindi siya post, siya pre-event siya, no? I like that advice, no? All right. Again, audience, I hope you had some insight on the conversation, no? And if may katanungan kayo or may comments kayo, just leave it in our YouTube channel or in our Spotify. Feel free, no? Do you have any last shout out or anything na you wanna invite our audience to? If meron lang.
Wala naman. Siguro if you want to reach out to me, you can search my LinkedIn. It's just Chino Datu. So just message me there for any, anything out of it, whatever. Just message me and I'll help you out. IT, career, anything, just message me there.
All right. Thank you so much. And of course, audience, if you like our content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Bye.